Hey guys, Gamer48 here, back once again for another video. Today we're going to make my famous sandwich that not that many people like, but I'm still going to make it. What you need is some bologna, any type of bologna, or ham. Ham works better. Some cheese, some mayonnaise, and one sec. Yeah, I'm back. And a peanut butter. Remember to edit that out. Alright. Next, you gotta have obviously 2 pieces of bread for it to start. Move y'all just a little bit like that. There we go. Alright, so now what y'all gotta do is grab a spoon. Which I don't think there's spoons here. Probably should have grabbed all of this before I started, but who cares. Now, I'll make sure you wash your hands too. That's the key part. Alright, so now take 2 pieces of bread, normally the side bread. Okay? First you take out the peanut butter. Peanut butter is always great to eat. Take it. Now, some people do it like this, but that's not. You gotta take it like this. And you gotta pull it out like that. To where it doesn't rip the peanut, it doesn't rip the bread. And it just slides on very easily. Like so. So now, this is what it's gonna look like. Like that. Alright. But let me get out of the sun so or out of the light. Like this. Alright. Next. Obviously gonna have to grab another spoon. Or we're just gonna use a fork. You can use forks, who cares. Next, you're gonna grab the mayonnaise, as seen right here. Any type of mayonnaise will do. Brand new open one. Well, probably pretty much open. Take about that much mayonnaise. Then you put it onto the peanut butter sandwich. Like this. And you rub it in. I'm telling you guys, it's the best sandwich in the world. Then you rub it in. Just like so. Okay. Then I ate the mayonnaise right off. Now this is the great jelly that I use. Personally, for me, it's probably going to be a little faster video. Usually I make about a 10-minute video, but there's really nothing to this. I think I just put too much. But really, what is too much, actually? So you just scatter it around here. So the jelly looks like this, right on top of the mayonnaise. Then, oh, that actually tastes pretty good. I never tried that type of jelly. You grab a piece of cheese. You put the cheese right on top. Right on top, like so. Like this. Right, just right on top. Probably be better with a paper towel underneath because it does get a little everywhere. You take a piece of bologna or honey ham. Honey ham's better. Put it right on top. Now you do the same thing with the second piece of bread, except you only put peanut butter. You just do everything but put the bologna on it. So you do it like this. Told you guys, it does not break the bread as much as you would do it with that one. Then you put the mayonnaise. Just a little bit. You don't want to put too much because it's going to overpower. But just enough to where you could just rub it on and it'll be all over the bread. Just like this. Nothing more to it. Okay. Then, on 4 minutes, guys. You're doing pretty good. You always got to shake it up before you're using it. Then, you put some more jelly on it. So it's exactly like what you're going to do whenever you make the second piece of bread. Rub it all in. Tastes pretty good. Then, you put a piece of cheese. Now, it would be better if you just put the cheese on top of the the piece of bologna so it doesn't slide. And then you take this and then put that on top. Now you're gonna have, alright guys, sorry, I'm back. Okay, so now this is what it should look like, where the cheese is on the side. Now I don't know how to bite into this without it sliding. This is the first time I use grape jelly, so it is a little slidey and it doesn't really slide well, but let's just take a little bite. So good. There's a lot of flavor. The cheese really goes well with the mayonnaise and the peanut butter and the jelly, mayonnaise. No, I will say this is a mess. So if you try this at home, make sure you have paper towels on standby, because it will be a little bit of a mess. But it's so good. I mean, I like it. I eat this pretty much every time I got the resources, or every time I got enough to make it. The bologna's coming out of the edge back there. Bro, it's really good. I don't know where I got it from. Somebody told me about this. I can't remember who. But somebody told me about the sandwich, and I tried it for myself. And it's actually really good. So yeah, ever since then I started eating, but I can't remember who. Well, it was a really good sandwich. Y'all take pictures. Like, if y'all make this sandwich, take pictures and tweet me on my Twitter. Post pictures on Twitter and tag me in it, or Instagram, or whatever y'all got, Facebook, whatever. And definitely show me y'all pieces of y'all sandwich, because it's really good. And I literally, this is like one of my favorites. But it's really yummy. Nothing really overpowers it. And I will say, honey is also really good. And the good thing about the honey is the honey really doesn't make all of the bologna and the cheese slide as much as this jelly obviously does to this sandwich. But it tastes really good. So if y'all like this video, don't forget to smash the like button in the face and don't break it. Also, I will be doing more videos like these. Me and my partners are also going to be doing a video soon. So stay tuned for that. And see y'all guys in the next video. See y'all guys.